Hi IPSYs! I want to show you guys how I use the Qhemet Biologics Amla and Olive Heavy Cream. This is to moisturize dry. You can use this a number of ways. What I really love about this product is the ingredients. It has no silicones, no parabens, and it has castor oil, olive oil, amla extract, MSM, which is all really good to keep your hair moisturized and to actually promote healthy hair growth. All things that I want. So a little bit goes a long way. I like to focus it on my ends, which is the driest areas for me. My hair is wet right now and I left some deep conditioner in it. You can use it as a leave-in before styling your hair or as an overnight cream. I'm gonna just moisturize. I'm gonna keep this hair nice and healthy. I'm gonna add a little bit more to this side. Rub it together, again focusing on my end and the driest parts of my hair, which tends to be the back. Just going to rake it through my hair. Make sure to moisturize those ends. That's it. Super simple. You can leave this in your hair. If you're going to wash it out, make sure to rinse with cold water so that you seal in all the moisture. Hope you found this helpful.